Welcome to the Infinisource website. My name is Rob Behnke, and today I want to talk to you about why you would want to attend one of our COBRA seminars. The answer is easy: change. COBRA changes. In fact, it can change in 4 different ways. Number 1, Congress. That's right. Congress has the ability to change COBRA, and they do. And every time Congress makes a change to COBRA, do you normally get a letter from your congressperson letting you know what those changes are? Of course not. But ultimately, who's held responsible for knowing? That's right, you are. Number 2, the courts. Our federal courts, our appellate courts, even the United States Supreme Court render decisions about proper COBRA administration. And every time that federal district court, the one in which you and your company reside within, every time they render a decision about COBRA, you know what that becomes to you? Binding. It becomes the law. How many of us as COBRA administrators have actually sat down and analyzed all those different COBRA lawsuits in your jurisdiction? Not many of us. 3, the IRS. Yes, the IRS has the ability to change COBRA. In 1999, they issued final COBRA regulations. 2001, they issued more final COBRA regulations. And since that time, they have issued IRS revenue rulings and IRS notifications. How many of those have you actually seen? And number 4, the Department of Labor. The Department of Labor in 2004 issued final COBRA regulations, 30 pages of final COBRA regulations that created 2 brand new COBRA notices that you're required to do today. Plus it required you to update a notice, plus it required you to rename a COBRA notice. And if that doesn't convince you to attend one of our seminars, maybe this will. If you're doing your own COBRA administration, did you know that 85% of employers today are not compliant with COBRA? And it's not because you don't want to be, it's because you don't know. Many of the things you're probably doing today are correct, but that's not the problem. It's all the things you're not doing that you didn't know that are going to get you into trouble with COBRA. And for you folks that have people doing your COBRA administration for you, be it a carrier, be it a TPA, another COBRA administrator, ask them the simple question: how many different COBRA notices are you doing for us today? And chances are they're going to respond by saying 2 or 3. Did you know that there are potentially 11 different COBRA notices? That's right, 11 different COBRA notifications that you might be responsible for. If you want to know more about these 11 COBRA notifications and what it takes to be compliant, you need to attend one of our COBRA seminars. And if you're an insurance agent looking for CE credits, we're approved. If you're an HR professional looking for CPE or PHR credits, we're approved. As an added bonus, we're going to provide you our COBRA manual, 100 pages of the most updated COBRA information. So again, why would you want to attend one of our seminars? Change. 4 different reasons: Congress, the courts, the IRS, the Department of Labor. I hope to see you at one of our seminars in the very near future. Thank you for visiting our website today.